Anaesthesia and critical care has been a great event.
Dedicated to anaesthesia and critical care.
Opportunity to get our brand out in the market.
It's always kind of like one of the first on the team sheet.
A lot of elite clinicians are here.
The best and the brightest in the market.
It's a great networking opportunity.
We've got a good audience.
These people, they buy our products and we should be here to support the events that help them with getting on with their day job.
It allows us to access, in a very short period of time, a wide range of customers.
Our existing customers and also potential customers.
And allow them to actually get hands-on with the equipment.
It's the key stakeholder, isn't it? It's the end user, it's the person that's going to use the product.
Who we would normally find it very difficult to get to.
The decision makers in the market.
Well, it gives everybody a good opportunity to see exactly what's on the market at the moment.
The latest products here, the latest clinical benefits.
You know, whatever's the hot topic at the moment.
What we're competing against.
It's been great for us to showcase our products.
It's a very good event to attend.
The best of the best are here.